So in the middle of the summer there are some bargains that you can pick up at garden centres, and I found this geranium, this herbaceous geranium Maya, at my local garden centre. It grows to around 20 to 25 centimetres tall, covered in blue flowers. It's obviously not in flower now, and so it's being sold off cheap. This was half price, so it was £8.99 normally, and this was being sold off for £4.50. So I thought I got a bit of a bargain, even if it was just for one plant. But what I like to do when I get these sorts of bargain plants is to knock them out of the pot and see if I can divide them up into a number of different pieces. And you can see that there are more than one growing point on this plant here, and that means that I can get my trowel in there and slice down between the roots. Might sound a bit grim, might sound a bit like you're ripping them apart, but actually this is just division, but you're doing it in the summer while it's growing, so it should heal over really quickly. And you can see there that I've got one division there with quite a good number of leaves on it. I'm not going to be really too mean and break it down anymore, but there's some root on there and there's a shoot on there as well, and that means that that should grow and establish for the rest of the summer and on into the autumn, and then I can plant these out when I've got a number of them, plant these out in a flower bed later on. Rather than just planting one, I'm going to divide it, pot it up, get lots of plants, and then I can fill a border this autumn. So there you go, 4 plants for the price of one, and even that one plant was a discounted one. Now that's what I call canny gardening.